Hello friends. So in this video we will see comparison between northwest corner method, least cost method and Vogel's approximation method for initial basic feasible solution of transportation problem. So far we have seen a problem which is solved by these three methods. Okay. So in this particular video we will compare the transportation cost obtained by these three methods. So let us start with northwest corner rule. We have seen already this problem and we have stopped at this table. Okay, after that I have calculated transportation cost from the given table. So how can we calculate transportation cost? 40 cross 12 plus 15 cross 4 plus 5 cross 1 plus 40 cross 6 plus 10 cross 4 plus 20 cross 7 plus 10 cross 9 plus 40 cross 1. Okay, so this simple multiplication addition will give you total transportation cost obtained by this solution. Okay, so we are getting 1095 by northwest corner method. I have taken the currency in rupees, but it can be any currency, it doesn't make any difference. So we are getting 1095 as the result of transportation cost by northwest corner method. So let us write transportation cost by northwest corner rule or northwest corner method is 1095. Next, let us check transportation cost by least cost method. Okay, in the same way you have to do 10 cross 12 plus 15 cross 9 plus 30 cross 5 and so on. You will come to the final transportation cost by this method. Okay, so do simple multiplication and addition, and finally we got 705 as the transportation cost by least cost method. So 705 by least cost method. Next, check the transportation cost by Vogel's approximation method and do the calculation in the same way as we did before, and we are getting here 695. You can cross check it. 25 cross 9 plus 30 cross 5 plus 10 cross 8 plus 20 cross 1 and so on. You will get 695. So transportation cost by Vogel's approximation method is 695. Now compare these three. Obviously Vogel's approximation method is best amongst these three. Okay, and you will find in all the cases this method will give you the best result. Okay, so for initial basic feasible solution, Vogel's approximation method is suggested. It is not that this method is giving you directly the optimal solution. This is the first step, that is getting initial basic feasible solution. Amongst methods of initial basic feasible solution, VM method is best method, but we again need to check for the optimality, that whether still any improvisation is possible in transportation cost or not. Can we get still lower transportation cost, because our aim is to get the as minimum as possible transportation cost. Okay, so that can be done by second step, that is checking for optimality by some other method. So the conclusion is Vogel's approximation method should be used for initial basic feasible solution. So if you have option, you should choose this method. If not, you have to choose the recommended method, but if you are having any option, then you should choose the Vogel's approximation method. So thank you guys, that's it for now. We will meet in the next video with optimality check by modified distribution method and stepping stone method. Okay, so thanks a lot guys. Please like and subscribe my channel and circulate it to your friends so that they can also be benefited by such videos. Thank you.